What's the worry? Why do you waste my time?
Is this the motherfucking thanks I get for making my people proud every chance I get?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So, guys, in this video, we're talking about Burna Boy releasing a snippet of his upcoming song, guys. So, if you're new to this channel, I'd like to hit the subscribe button. I like if you enjoyed this video. So, guys, Burna Boy was having a live session on Instagram, guys, and he was dropping a snippet of his upcoming song. That's when mom came in to say that's enough. So, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. Tell me what you feel about this video, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Peace.
See, I did not threaten my leg. What's the worry? Why do you waste my time?
Is this the motherfucking thanks I get for making my people proud every chance I get? This night, no love.
I'm gonna run am back 2 seconds. What's the worry now? One I did.
Hey man, you don't do.